Welcome. This is going to be a quick video on how to make some hot wings. This is only going to take a couple ingredients, wings obviously, and hot sauce of choice, and some oil to cook in. I use vegetable oil. So let's get started. Not much to say here. What we're going to do is heat the oil up to about 350 degrees and just start placing the chicken wings and drumettes in there. And fry them up till they're nice golden brown and crispy. So right here we're just placing in the rest of them. I'm not making that many. I think there was only about 10 or 12 pieces in this batch. This is just going to be a quick snack for later today. Alright, looks like they're frying up nicely. Here we go. Just giving them a little bit of a stir, kind of mixing them up, making sure that none of them are, getting burnt at the bottom. Looks like they're coming out nice and crispy, getting that skin golden brown and delicious. Here's what I'm using. I'm using some medium Hooters wing sauce. You can use whatever you like, but this stuff works pretty well. Just put the wings in a nice bowl. Just go to town with that wing sauce. Toss it all in there and mix everything around so they're nice and coated. Obviously you can keep them naked and then just dip the wings in a nice little side dish of wing sauce, but I like them extra crispy, tossed in some wing sauce, and then just plate these guys up. Then you're ready. You can go watch movie, TV, YouTube, whatever. These things are delicious. Look at that. Who wants some of this? Yeah, don't mind the habanero and jalapenos in the background. Those are in case it's not that spicy. You can just go ahead and take a bite out of those things. Well, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will join you in the next one.